What we hope our facilitators or mentors will be for this team are champions, above all, are the people who will keep their enthusiasm going. And if the children have gone through a conflict resolution process that they have not been able to resolve by themselves. So, overall, the grown up that will help them see this challenge through. In terms of helping them, we believe that it is important that the facilitator doesn't take the role of the person who solves the problem, of the person who provides the solutions, of the person who replies every question. Rather, it is a role that requires that the facilitator empowers the children by replying to their questions with new questions that will oblige or force the teams or the children to go through the process that will enable them to discover the answer or to try several things until they come to the solution or at least a step forward in their project. We don't expect facilitators to get involved with the specific completion of tasks, but we do hope that they will be there to show and reinforce in the children this idea that the frustration, that the mistake or the failure of an idea is very much a part of the process. We are hoping that mentors will also be a lot more focused in the experience itself, which is the process of tinkering, of trying, of building, of going through the tasks, rather than the result and what we're trying to achieve. And this, by the way, is embedded in our judging criteria. We will not be judging the final result more heavily than the process. When at the end of the tinkering challenge, the children or the finalist projects get to present their ideas, they will be asked questions about the history of how they work together, what conflicts did they meet, how did they solve them, how did they come up with the idea of XXX. So our judging criteria, as well as the whole design of the tinkering challenge, is forcing and putting the focus on the values that we want to promote and the skills we want the children to exercise, namely 21st century skills. What are 21st century skills? The four basic ones that we all agree on are creativity, communication, collaboration, and communication. Especially throughout the tinkering challenge, the first phase of it, when the children are doing the tasks as well as designing and building their object, they will be collaborating, they will be creating, and there will be a lot of opportunities for communicating, in the sense that every single task that they do needs to be communicated in a certain manner. Our tasks and the way we have offered the instructions actually try to force those skills and that reflection and the focus on those specific things. What is most difficult for us is to evaluate that. So it is in the tinkering fair where the children will have the most opportunity to consider how they will communicate their process and their work and how they will present it. All these things are crucial to the tinkering challenge. They are actually crucial challenges for education itself. And this is a fun way of approaching it and bringing reflection to everyone.